Imagine a brand new world in which cities are smart and driven by data. Data collected by drones, airplanes, vehicles, and individuals, gathered using imaging and scanning, above and below ground, outdoors and indoors. Imagine that data to be in 3 dimensions, giving you clearer insights by bringing the outside world to your desk, putting everything in exactly the right place, depicting the right dimensions, showing the current state, even revealing hidden features. Now picture a software that fuses all that 3D data from different sources, turning the massive amounts of data into workable data sets, resulting in knowledge waiting in the cloud to be integrated into our daily routines and workflows, enhancing your processes, increasing your accuracy, providing better decision-making, improving the world we live in. Governments, industries, corporations, even civilians. We will all have the possibility to survey the outside world at the touch of our fingers. Knowing your professional data is correct, knowing we could distill the answers we are looking for without ever leaving our desk. Can you imagine such a world? Can you picture such smart software? Can you recognize the future when it arrives? Reboot your DNA to 3D. Orbit GT. Smart 3D mapping solutions for future-proof smart cities and smart future-proof organizations.